Today I'd like to share with you a set of details about the Honda Odyssey Elysion, the original machine foot glue used, and what its number is. I have in front of me a set of original Japanese machine foot glue. This is for Honda Odyssey Elysion. 15 to 21 models. Let's take a look at a detail of the original. When you go to the market to buy the Japanese original parts, you can with me this to confirm whether it is genuine. First of all, let's take a look at its number. The number on the right is 50820T6AJ01. The right lever is 50880T6AJ01, and the rear lever is 50890T6AJ01. The number on the left is 50850T6AJ01, and each of them is different. Now, let's take a look at the details of the real thing, as well as packaging. You can see that in addition to the left side of the words are box packaging, the other three are using a bag. Now we start from the right side of this look. The right side of the general right side are with hydraulic pressure. We can see this has a paint pen marking. And this aluminum frame has a T6 model number on it. Including this rubber T elasticity is very good, and the surface is covered with beeswax. There is also a molding line here. Now look at the right side of the machine foot glue. You can pay attention to it. If it is with hydraulic pressure, you can press the bottom of it. The bottom of it is very soft, generally are genuine. You can obviously feel the bottom of the elasticity is very good. Then look at the lever. This is also very easy to identify. Because in addition to the Honda logo, there's the model number, and there's two protruding dots here. It's on both the front and back. Including the material and date of manufacture are all marked out. This rear tie rod is the same. There is a Honda logo, material, model number. These are all marked. Generally speaking, these two machine foot glue is not a big problem, and the right side is very critical. Including the left machine foot glue. We can see it has an aluminum frame on it, which is produced by Nissan. T6A model CVT gearbox. Here is the date of production. Including this top screw, all with digital security. As well as its surface beeswax. You see I gently scratch the beeswax, all fall out. The elasticity of this rubber is also very flexible. When you plan to replace the original rubber, you can watch this video. Avoid buying imitations.